Hello guys, it's Samsung Fan, and today I'm making a wash with darks in service mode. I have a lot of darks, and today when I'm making a lot of clothes in service mode, since I almost reaching 200 subscribers, I wanna make this. This, guys. Not too much, but it's okay. Let's add didnt in, and maybe a door open spin, throwing the clothes. Okay, let's add didnt detergent. This and this, and there's no softener, so I'm making a lot of this. Oh, there's this one. Oh, sorry. And service mode wash. And the bod mode. This. Okay, that's enough. I wanna see what her last program first, because I see she washed this clothes, but I'm not at home. Oh, I forgot one. Dark. This. And these are color red. Okay, let's making a service mode wash. Let's see what her last program, since I'm not at home. Hand wash again, guys. Again the hand wash that I hate. I really hate the hand wash, guys. It makes the hand wash when I'm not at home. That can tumble. Okay. Let's keeping the eco bubble on. Let's filling of water. So I'm doing 20 minutes of wash, but first I'm filling a bit of water. Is there empty water? No. But that I'm making 40 degrees if I can in 20 minutes. Oh, Suits is coming. It's coming, Suits. But I will filling a bit. Okay, stop. No, it needs again water. That needs water. Oh, dang it. Okay. Last heating until 40. I hate when it stops heating of a lot. I'm not doing the PSD because it will say error code. Yeah, that's not water now. Because if I fail again, it will cooling down degrees. Okay, now it's 20. Wow. and not very suitsy. When it reaches 25, I will making a bomb mode. Okay. $22. Washing on service mode. Okay. Finally, guys. This time I think a sad luck will coming on the final spin. I don't know, guys. Okay. Wait, guys, I'm going to toilet. It's washing. Okay, 24.5. Oh, should see. Will coming. No, it's calling down. I need to find a bottle to adding a very hot water. Oh, I have one, I think. Let's add into water. It's not very hot. Okay, guys. Let's go on Bob. For the spin wash. Okay. I'm happy to making a new video with the Samsung. Okay. Let's back up to terrorist mode. I'm hitting again. Okay. $25 is reaching. Okay, 25. Now the winter will coming and it will going down of a lot of degrees. Okay. Hitting many times. I'm washing on 20 minutes of wash. I'm not adding water for now. Wait guys, I'm going to check if the water is. No guys, it's not hot again. But I will continue heating. I will continue heating. I'm getting mad of the hand wash program. That is so annoying. So do you remember when I did the full cycle of the hand wash? And it's so annoying. Okay, 26.9 and we're reaching 27. Yay. Okay. Oh, 28. T-Rex, I think T-Rex will. I think T-Rex will going to hit no very low, but the Samsung that it can 30 degrees, it will hitting very good. Because Rex don't have a display panel, but the Samsung, yay. Yes, the Samsung it has, and it's so amazing that it has. So guys, maybe I will try to throw in the clothes on the Samsung with the trick from Washer Forever. I will throw in I don't know what to throw, guys. I'm not throwing the clean clothes. Maybe I will throw in the dirty clothes that I have. Okay, it's reaching 30. Wait, I'm going. Again, not very good water. I wanna have a very good water. I think I'm doing 35 degrees. Or 30, guys, because it's almost at 20 minutes. Okay, I'm doing the last spin wash. I think I'm doing 30 of this wash. Wait. Okay, last spin wash. Whoa. Okay. Again 3 minutes. Okay, going to 30. Okay, 30. Okay, 30 degrees reached. 1 minute again. Okay, last one. And oh, it's cooling up. Lol. Now let's drink. Let's drink water. I'm making the rains. Look, it's cooling down now. Okay, final rinse. Final rinse. It's cooling down. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. I was feeling a bit until if I see the water on the glass. Okay, it's coming. The water is coming. Okay. That's enough. Final rinse. Soon I will making a lot of water overfill, maybe overfill soon. Guys, do you remember when I make the massive jump? When it may think the socks are there, but the hose got disconnected. So I'm trying to not disconnecting again because it's very hard to repair. My mom said you need to remove here, I think, to put the hose back on. It's very hard, guys. But I can do jumpings and on the racks. Okay, guys. Final spin after this. After this final spin. Guys, get ready. I'm so ready. Okay. Oh my god. Whoa. Oh my god. No! I'm wrong! I wanna making a jump, but I'm wrong to Paul. Let's see if it makes again. Okay. Oh! Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god. Wow. Yeah, it jumped. Okay, guys. $1,350. Wow, guys. It nearly hit the glass, guys. It nearly hit the glass. Because I can listen the sound of glass when it hits. It nearly hit the glass. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, I wanna try a moment because if I can wanna make open door, I wanna place here. No. Wait, guys, I wanna try and I wanna see. I wanna show you the display. Yay! Yay! Yeah, this is good, guys. I hope it don't drops. Wait, I'm putting out this, and wait, I have an idea. I have a brilliant idea, guys. how to do a open door, but I need to be very fast to close the door. I'm throwing it at 150 and I will close the door because it says the A. I'm not putting on the door lock, but look guys what I'm doing now. Wait. I'm checking if it's empty. Okay. Wait. I'm a through this, guys. I'm a through this. But wait. Wait, guys. Look what I'm doing. Now let's waiting if this is unlocking. Ready to open, guys. But very fast to close the door because it will change the A. Without using the... Come on, just unlock it. Very fast, guys. This is important. Okay. No! Oh no, guys! Damn it! Wait, it stopped. Oh my god, I'm wrong, guys. I'm wrong. I don't know if this works, guys, because I need to be very fast. I don't know if it works. I'm not trying, guys. I'm not trying again. Because I don't know if it works. Or because it will say, have you seen, guys, it gives an error code in 2 seconds. How dare you? I wanna try, guys. If it's not working, because I remember when I did. I am very ready. I'm doing one time. Okay. No! No! No, guys, it got failed again. See. Sit. Why? It got failed a second time. I think it's not working. So what the hell? I don't know how you can do this. Okay, I'm not trying again. I can't, I think. I can't. I really hate. Last attempt. Or I'm making 5 attempts. This is the third attempt. Okay. No! How, guys? 4th attempt. What the hell happened? So guys, I think it doesn't working with the door open. 4th attempt. Wait. I'm doing the 4th attempt. But so when I have this machine on the garage, I will make an open door. I will promise. Fourth attempt. What? Not working. Again. Again. Shit. It's not working. Why? It recognizes it, I think. So, wait. No, it will tumbling. So wait guys, I wanna try to power it off and back on. Wait, I'm trying to do it this. Because I think it's this, guys. I think it's this, guys, that it doesn't working. Because I remember when I did. So, I'm making 2 attempts more. Wait, I have idea. Get ready. No! Shit! Again. Doesn't work. It's annoying. Okay, last attempt. I wanna try, guys. With the door open. So guys, I think it's not working. It's not working, guys. But why? Why when it starts, when it unlocked the door, I remember, it starts tumbling, it locked, and it will lock. And why it works with door closed and not with door open? I don't know how you can do this. I'm confused. So wait. No! Oh my god! But with door closed. But with the door closed. But with the door closing, guys. I got, but the door is closed. It starts tumbling. Wait, one more time, if I can. But how he can doing? It's impossible. Because I don't wanna destroy this machine. So it tumbled. I wanna see how he can do it. No. Look. But now it's tumbling. That got failed. So let's keep it at 1350. That's a big fail, guys. It doesn't work, guys. So don't try this, because it doesn't working. Okay guys, this service mode video will ending here. It's not working, guys, so I've tried a lot of attempts. I've tried, guys, it's not working. It's not working. How? It starts tumbling with the door closed. But it's not working with the door open it. Okay, I'm not making anymore. Because it's not working. What's that? Oh!
Non lavarmi le robe, amore, perché domani mattina devo andare a lavorare.
Ok, sorry. Okay. Thanks for watching. Oh! Okay. After school, lol, Samsung. Okay. Let's see. Whoa. Oh. Jump it. Okay. Okay. La mamma a dormire?
Il bagno. Dagli un po' d'acqua alla tira. Dagli l'acqua.
No, aspetta.
Chiudi.
Ok. I will later. Open door. Thanks for watching, guys.